Here at Aquilon, we are celebrating the release of our latest Power BI custom visual, the Premium Bubble Chart. With Aquilon's custom visuals, you can turn your business's data into compelling stories. The free version of our bubble chart visual was well received, with almost a 5-star rating and several great reviews. It's still available on the Microsoft App Stores today. Just search for Aquilon and you'll find over 10 other custom visuals that we have created. With the premium version of the bubble chart, users can enjoy even more features than ever before. In addition to all of the features of the free version, the premium version offers drill down support, bookmark support, and a new tooltips field bucket. Let's take a closer look at each of these premium features. The drill down feature was highly requested by users of the free version of our bubble chart, so we made sure to add it to our premium visual during development. This feature is a valuable tool for users who have data that has a hierarchical category structure. Here, you can see that we've added new buttons to the top of the visual to support drill down mode. By default, it is turn on. To turn it on and off, click on the arrow button in the top right corner. When drill down mode is turned off, if you click on a bubble, it will narrow your selection to only that bubble. When drill down mode is turned on, if you click on a bubble, the visual will drill down and display the next level of hierarchy. For example, it now shows us continents. When you click on the bubble labeled Asia, it will drill down into the second level of hierarchy and show you countries in Asia. When we click on China, the visual then drills down and displays cities in China. You can view and edit the levels of hierarchy over here in the bubble name field bucket. Here you see that the levels of hierarchy of this example are continent, country, and city. You'll also notice some new buttons in the top left corner of the visual. The first button is the Drill Up button. Click on it to drill up to a higher level of hierarchy. We quickly go from city to country, and then from country to continent. The second button is the Drill Down button. By pressing it, we will drill down into the next lower level of a hierarchy. After clicking it, the visual then shows us all countries for each continent, and when we press it again, it then shows us all cities for each country. The third button is the Expand button. When clicked, the visual expands down one level in the hierarchy so that we can see two categories in the bubble chart at the same time. Let's click on this button. The visual has expanded and now we can see continents and countries. And when we click again, we'll see cities as well. Another feature that is exclusive to the premium version of our bubble chart is bookmark support. With bookmarks, you can capture key data for yourself and others, making it easy to view saved selections from your report. Let's create a new bookmark for Europe. First, open the Bookmarks tab. You'll see the visual on the left and a full report on the right. Click on the bubble that is labeled Europe. Now, the report on the right only shows stats from Europe. Then, go to the bookmark column and click on Add. Then add a name for the bookmark and hit Enter. You've successfully made a bookmark for Europe. Now, when we clear our selection, we can easily view it again and open the bookmark that we just made. You can make multiple bookmarks and easily switch between them. You can also make bookmarks that contain multiple bubbles and data. Let's make a bookmark for Eurasia. Now a report contains stats from both of these continents. The final feature that we've added to the premium bubble chart is the tooltips field bucket. When you hover over each bubble, a tooltip box will appear and show you data for that selection. Now you can select what data is displayed in the tooltips box by dropping any data from your data set into the tooltips field bucket. To demonstrate, we'll go to the tooltips tab and drag some columns into the tooltips field bucket. We'll add the earliest date available and bonus columns. Now when we hover over Shanghai, both values are displayed in the tooltips box. Let's make sure that those values are properly formatted. We'll go to our data model and then change the format of our dates to show only the month and day. For the bonus column, we'll change the format to US currency. When we return to our visual, we can see that the tooltip has been updated to reflect the selected formats. To purchase the Premium Bubble Chart custom visual, just go to our website or click on the link in the description of this video. If you have any questions or feedback about this visual, please contact us at powerbi@aquilon.com. With Aquilon's custom visuals, you can turn your business's data into compelling stories.